Hi guys, in this section we'll discuss some more properties of request object and then discuss about response object. So here I created add one more function in our controller basic and which will expose some more variable of request object. So I created one function called request.object, and using request I am getting application name controller function. So these are the properties of request object and assigning to these local variables. After that I am returning all these local variables which will be accessible at view. So I have created another view, request objects, or here I am printing all these objects, app, controller, all these things. So let's test this. So our application in below, controller basics, all this information will come through those properties. Now let's discuss about response object. Response is exactly opposite to request, which receive the response from the server and it will redirect you to the client. So when you go to web2py site, there's a lot of functions are there regarding response object. Mostly we use response.cookies, response.write, which write the file. You can download response.download, which can download the file, and response.flash. I'll just introduce with the response.flash. Response.flash is nothing but to flash a message on client. So just I'll show how to use, and later we will use all the other functions. And so we have written written this code which add two numbers which you get input from a form. So here I just use this code response.flash, and I am flashing this total addition of these two number. So you just go to that, we'll test how it will work. Response.where's and the site will open, then we'll just pass some number and 8. So this is the flash object. Here it flashing that value of total addition. Okay, thank you.